Are you searching for the best ultrasonic plastic welder? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best ultrasonic plastic welders in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. 1500 watts ultrasonic plastic welding machine plastic spot welder. The machine can use in high-frequency electronic system will be converted to high-frequency mechanical vibration through welding mold to the plastic body, make the plastic joint face sharp friction melt, cause the plastic body joint surface between plastic flow of material instantaneous agglutination process. Equipment name, ultrasonic spot welder. Equipment power, 1500 watts. Power form, ultrasound frequency band, high frequency, pure physical vibration, no radiation and corrosion, no harm to human body. The power supply adopts the method of automatic frequency chasing, and the frequency chasing accuracy is as high as 10 Hz. Small size, lightweight, with a handle, easy to carry. Built-in automatic protection circuit, safe to use, stable and reliable work. The stable amplitude can achieve the ideal welding effect, and the power can be adjusted. The upper and lower limit frequency can be manually set, and the range is as wide as 1.5 kHz. The transducer made of 4 ceramic plates has a longer lifespan, a light handle, and is easy to carry. The driving power adopts module integrated circuits, and 4 IGBT power tubes provide powerful output.